Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe because I'm about to make your life very easy. Now let's get into this slick bun. What I like to do is I'm sectioning my hair into two because I like to make sure that I have applied and straightened my hair really well with the hair gel before walking to the front, because if I don't do that, then my hair is going to have tiny mounds and it's not going to get as flat as I want it to do. Most especially if you have thick hair, please section your hair in the middle and do the back part first, and then now come to the front. Now when I come to the front, I'm also going to use my bristle brush to comb through the hair really nicely, and that's to make sure that I'm detangling my hair and straightening it before I apply the hair gel. And as I apply the hair gel, I'm also using my bristle brush to kind of make sure that it applies very well from the top of my hair to the hair that is just at the root next to the scalp. It helps very well when your hair is nicely saturated with the hair gel, because your hair is going to really have that nice look, that nice finish, and it's going to be really flat. When you apply hair gel only at the top of your hair, you will find that you have like a tiny mountain inside your hair, and it's going to give like messy bun or poorly done bun. So you want your hair to be nice and organized, and that's why I'm using the bristle brush to comb through as often as you see me do it. Now as soon as I'm done applying at the front, I'm just going to get a grip of my hair and then put it into a bun. Now you may think, okay, maybe we are done here, but no, we are not yet done. We still have a little bit more to go. So after I put my hair into a bun, as you can see, it's not as organized as I want it to be. So I'm going to put another layer of hair gel, not too much, just enough to make sure that I can comb through my hair. And since my hair is already held behind, I can make sure that I can straighten it as much as it needs to be. So I'll comb through as often as I need to, and please do not get tired of combing through your hair with the bristle brush, because this is what is going to give you that nice finish. So you don't want to just give like 1 to 3 combs and then you're done. No, please do it as often as you can. As you can see, the hair gel makes my hair a little bit wavy. So what I do, I sometimes use my fingers to guide my hair as if straightening it, because then I don't want the curls to stick before I'm able to put my hair nicely into the ponytail. So I'm just going to open it up a little bit. Since already my hair is nicely saturated, I can just use my hands to guide the top of my hair and make sure I hold down everything nice and flat into the ponytail. Trust me, a ponytail that has been gripped perfectly will make you look all kinds of elegant, and you'll thank me later. So and I'm just going to go ahead to use the scrunchie, hold my hair back really nicely. If you're feeling like your hair sometimes is not that firm with just one scrunchie, then please feel free to use 2 scrunchies, but don't make it too tight that it hurts the roots of your hair. You don't want your hair to be damaged by this. Now I'm also going to go ahead and use a toothbrush, because I like to make sure that any flyaways that I could have missed, I can get them at this point and get it to be nice and organized. And since we are feeling a little bit adventurous and I want to finish up my look very well, I'm going to do some baby hairs. But feel free, you don't have to do this, but if you feel like and you want to be as adventurous as myself, then please do some baby hairs and make sure that your hair is really nice and laid. So I'm going to use a toothbrush, but sometimes there are these tiny tools that we use for our eyebrows. I think it's called a spoolie, that you can also be able to use to lay your baby hairs. Whatever makes your life easy, use that. So this is how I'm going to finish off my look. So now that the baby hairs are nice and laid, I'm just going to go ahead to make sure that my hair is really nice and tight into that ponytail. And as you can see, my hair is quite messy at the back, so I'm just going to use my hands to just fluff it up a little bit. You can also use a comb, but if you don't mind, you can also use your fingers. It works the same way for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and just do one little brush with my bristle brush before I cover my hair with a scarf. Now, why I put a scarf on my hair is this acts kind of like how you would use like a blow dryer to dry the hair gel. So let your hair sit in the scarf for, like around 30 minutes to 1 hour. That would be enough. And if you have thicker hair, by the way, it might take you a little bit longer. But for me, 30 minutes is quite enough. And after that, like my hair is already popping. My hair is already looking nice and it is nice and dry. This is the result of the whole process that you want to achieve. And I think it turned out quite well. I'm sure you'll be able to try this out. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff up my hair a little bit. You can also use a white tooth comb to just, make sure that your hair is not too detangled at the back to give your hair a really nice finish. But I'm so proud of myself. I'm sure you can see that. And as soon as I am done, I'm not even going to add like anything more. Just fluff your hair at the back and then you're good to go. Very simple, very easy hairstyle, and you can be able to wear this for different locations. I like how the hair at the back of my head is looking like I have, those tiny extensions. Yeah, I like that it's giving like, tiny extension vibes, but it's not. It's my real hair. And yeah, I think, that's quite perfect. And as you can see, the back of my hair is also still nice and organized. Oh my goodness, this is quite exciting, guys. I hope you're able to try this hairstyle because I feel like it's so easy to do for each and everybody. Like it doesn't have like too much complications. So try this out. Please let me know in the comments, and please feel free to share this with your friends, with your family, because this is a very easy go-to hairstyle that I'm sure they can try out. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because I still want to see more of you. Until next time, guys, bye.